morning students. Today we will do further part of exercise 3.3 till question number 7 we have done yesterday. So in question number question number 8 we have two figures. The following figures GUNS and RUNS are parallelogram. There are two parallelograms. We have to find the value of x and y in these two parallelograms. So in first question there is GUNS is a parallelogram which have four sides. First side is 3y minus 1, second one is 18, third one is 26, and fourth one is 3x. So we have to solve it and have to find the values of value of x and y. So we have four sides of this parallelogram are GU equal to 3y minus 1, UN equal to 18, NS equal to 26, and SG equal to 3x. All sides I have mentioned there. Since GUNS is a parallelogram, that's why we can say that opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. So if opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram, then which one are opposite to each other? SG is the opposite of NU and GU is opposite to SN. So I am taking first this side, this and this. These two are opposite to each other. So I am writing here GU equal to SN because they are opposite sides of a parallelogram. So I have to mention there, since opposite sides of parallelogram, okay, and we know that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal to each other. That's why I take an equal to sign there. Now put the value of GU and SN. What is the value of GU? There is 3y minus 1 and value of SN equal to SN or NS. We can write both SN or NS. So value of NS or SN is 26. So I am writing as it is there. Now we have to solve this equation, have to find the value of y. So since minus 1 is a constant term, so we have to transpose it into right hand side. That's mean 3y equal to 26 plus 1 implies that 3y equal to 27. So value of y from there, y equal to 27 divided by 3 because 3 is multiplying there, and if we transpose it then it will be divide. Then 3 nines are 27. So value of y we have got, which is 9. Value of y is 9. Similarly we can find the value of x. Since GUNS is a parallelogram, that means its other two sides are opposite sides are also equal. So now we are taking SG and NU. So again SG equal to NU. So put the value of SG and NU. Value of SG equal to 3x and value of UN or NU equal to 18. So I am writing as it is there. Now find the value of x from there. Since x is a variable term and 3 is a non-variable, so we have to transpose 3 that side. So 18 divided by 3 because 3 is multiplying now. So if we transpose then it will be divide. Then value of x is 6. So value of y is 9 and value of x is 6. These are the two answers of these questions. Okay. In question number 2 of this question number 8, there is a parallelogram which is RUNS, and it have two diagonals RN and SU. Okay, two diagonals. So what we know that about the diagonals of parallelogram? We know that the diagonals of parallelogram intersect each other at two equal part. Okay, so RN and SU intersected there, and that means it intersect each other, then it will be divided into two equal parts to each other. Okay, so if RN is bisected by SU, then 16 equal to x plus y and similarly 20 equal to y plus 7. So we are putting making a equation with this assumptions. So we have x plus y, these x plus y plus 7 equal to 20 and x plus y equal to 16, as I written there. Y plus 7 equal to 20 and x plus y equal to 16 because these diagonals bisecting each other at this point, then these diagonals are bisected, that means टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में ये डिवाइड हो चुके हैं. अब टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हुए हैं मतलब ये इसके इक्वल होगा और ये 20y+7 के इक्वल होगा. सो आई एम राइटिंग दैट थिंग एंड रिटर्न द रीजन. डायगोनल बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर इनटू टू इक्वल पार्ट्स. Then taking first condition there, y+7 equal to 20. So value of y from there we have to find. If we transpose 7 from that side, then there will be y equal to 20 minus 7, which is equal to 13. So value of y equal to 13. Okay. Similarly, we have second condition. Second condition is x plus y equal to 16. So we have to find the value of x from there, na, because value of y we have found it already 13. So value of y I have to put there. Value of y is 13, which is equal to 16. So value of x is 16 minus 13, and so value of x is 16 minus 13, that means 3. So value of x is 3. Which are the answers? Value of x and value of y